Hello everyone, myself Manju Sharma from Suresh Kaniviyar University, Jagatpura, Jaipur, School of Agriculture. Today we are going to talk about classification of fungi. In classification, basically there are some key points. So there are standard endings for the various taxa. Phylum ends in Mycota, class in Mycetes, subclass in Mycetidae, order in Els, family in Ace, and the genus and species have no fixed ending. Genus is always written with the first letter in capital. Species in small letters as adjective qualifying the noun. So, classification of fungal plant pathogens, traditional and modern. Traditionally, fungi were classified under Thallophyta, division of plant kingdom under four classes, in which like Phycomycetes, also called lower fungi, including Oomycetes, Chytridiomycetes, and Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteriomycetes, including fungi imperfect. Ainsworth classification 1966 to 1973. So included kingdom fungi with Myxomycota and Eumycota divisions. The Eumycota division was divided into five subdivisions via Mestigomycotina, Zygomycotina, Ascomycotina, and Basidiomycotina and Deuteriomycotina, which were further subdivided into classes, order, and so on. So, classification system based on information on phylogenetic relationships of fungi which obtained by a small subunit, that is 18 as ribosomal RNA gene comparison are now used. Kingdom fungi traditional classification based on the spore case. Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, Zygomycota, and Deuteriomycota. Division Ascomycota, that is also called as sac fungi. So the sac fungi which produce spores in small cup-shaped sacs, that is called asci. Hence the name is Ascomycota. So the mature sex fungi spores are known as ascospores. They are released at the tip of the ascus which breaks open Yeast is the most common one, that is called fungi, cell fungi. Yeast reproduce through asexual process that is called budding. So the buds form at the side of the present cell. They pinch off and grow into new yeast cell which is identical to the parent cell. Example of sick fungi are morels, truffles, cup fungi, and powdery mildew. Example Aspergillus, clay saps, and Neurospora. So these are the examples. Like Ascomycetes, and the phylum is Ascomycota. These are the cup-shaped fungi which belong to Ascomycota. These all are the examples like fruiting bodies with head and stip-on sclerotium. Next is the division Basidiomycota, that is club fungi. So Basidiomycota includes the mushroom, puffballs, smut, rust, and toadstool. The spores are borne on a club-shaped spore case that is called basidium. In mushrooms, the basidia are lined at the gills under the cap. Huge number of spores are produced by the club fungi. In fact, an average sized mushroom produces over 16 billion spores. So these spores rarely germinate or mature. Example Agaricus, that is mushroom, Astilago smut, and Puccinia rust fungus. These all are the, that is Puccinia. Next division is Deuteriomycota. These organisms are known as imperfect fungi because they lack sexual reproduction. They reproduce by asexual spores known as conidia. Most of the fungi which causes the diseases to humans like ringworm, athlete's foot, etc. Economically important imperfect fungi are Penicillium and Aspergillus. Other examples are Alternaria, Coletotrichum, and Trichoderma. So that is the example of penicillium mold on Mandarin oranges. That is Penicillium purpurogenum, that is Penicillium italicum, and Penicillium digitatum, which growing on orange. Culture and conidial head of Aspergillus flavonus, that is Alternaria alternata, causing leaf spot and other diseases, and over 380 host species of plant. A 28-year-old man with alternariosis in his tibia, that is called Alternaria arborensis, an electron micrograph of his skin. Here, morphology of Coletotrichum endophytica, that is holotype, culture grown on PDA in the plate A and B. Secondly, orange colored spore masses produced in culture. Then D and E, Aprosia produced on slide culture of PDA, and the conidiophores and conidia, and last one is the conidia. That is the fungus Lindeniathium on the bean pods. Here, trichoderma attacking a plant pathogen, that is Rhizoctonia species, which cause of root rot and narrow hyphae of trichoderma coil around wide hypha of Rhizoctonia. The later will collapse and die. Trichoderma is a biological control agent, and that is same magnification. Colony growth of Trichoderma virile, that is 1 pp, and the Trichoderma hercenium desert on PDA medium. Then the next is the division Zygomycota, zygote forming fungi. These fungi are usually found on cheese, bread, and other decaying food. So they are zygote forming fungi, hence the name is Zygomycota. These spores are produced in round shaped case called sporangium. The grayish food seen on bread and decaying food is actually mass of mature sporangia mold. So under the microscope, they are seen as pinheads. When the sporangium breaks open, hundreds of spores are released. For example, like Mucor, Rhizopus, the bread mold, Sporangia, Columella, and sporangiospores of Mucor. That is the bread mold or Mucor himalis. Bread mold, that is same scanning electron micrograph of bread mold. mycelium showing the sporangiosperms and sporangia. After that, the modern classification. Classification of fungal plant pathogens, traditional and modern. Traditionally, fungi were classified under Thallophyta. Thallophyta, division of plant kingdom, four classes, Phycomycetes, also called lower fungi, including Oomycetes, Chytridiomycetes, and Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteriomycetes, including the fungi or imperfect. So here Ainsworth classification, which given in 1966 to 1973, included the kingdom fungi with Myxomycota and Eumycota division. The Eumycota division was divided into five subdivisions like Mastigomycotina, Zygomycotina, Ascomycotina, and Deuteriomycotina or Basidiomycotina, which were further subdivided into the classes, order, and so on. So basically, the classification system, which based on information on phylogenetic relationship of fungi obtained by a small subunit, that is 18S ribosomal RNA gene comparison, are now used. So the classification given by Hackworth et al. In 1995 and partially modified by Kirk et al. 2001 is now universally accepted. According to it, the fungi are placed in three kingdoms like Protozoa, Straminopelia, and fungi. So let's come to the kingdom Protozoa. So there are, and these are characterized by the somatic phase is plasmodium or amoeboid. There is no cell wall in the somatic phase. Nutrition is by ingestion except in plant parasites, for example, Plasmodiophoramycota, where the plasmodium obtains nutrition by absorption and the mitochondrial cristae are tubular. So basically there are Acrasiomycota, Dictyosteliomycota, Myxomycota, and Plasmodiophoramycota. So first is the kingdom Protozoa. These are the unicellular microorganisms. So phylum 1 Myxomycota, class Myxomycetes, that is Plasmodium slime mold, do not infect plants. Order is Phycerales. The genera is Mucilago, Fulago, Phycerium, causing slime mold in low-lying plants. These are the example like egg slime mold, that is Mucilago crustacea at the plasmodium stage of its life cycle. That is slime mold Fulago saptica found in the forest near Moreden, Waldorf, Hesse, Germany. These are the many-headed yellow slime, that is Physarum polycephalinum. That is Plasmodium forming over three chunks. That is Physarium as grown in a petri dish image courtesy of Hans Gunther Dobereiner. Then the phylum 2, that is Plasmodiophoromycota, class Plasmodiophormycetes, order is Plasmodiophorales, and the genera is Plasmodiophora braccia, causing club root of crucifers, Polymyxima polygramenis on wheat and other cereals, and can transmit viruses, and Sporangiospora subterranea, that is causing powdery scab of potato tubers. So that is the same photo of Plasmodiophora brassica resting spores in infect roots of Brassica repava packensis. Spore size is 3 to 4 μm, and the photo is Carestin bismarck and Salamatia. That is Polymyxa graminis, tam image of resting spores in root cells of wheat. Grassroots cleared of protoplasm to reveal the presence of clusters of small resting spores of Polymyxima graminis. Top low power view of a root, bottom two cluster of resting spores in a single root cortical cell. That is the powdery scab, Sporangiosperma subterranea, washed tuber symptoms, and in another one like scabbed appearance on potato. Next is the kingdom 2, that is Chromista Stariminopila, microorganism unicellular or multicellular. So the phylum Umycota, zoospore flagellate, class is Umycetes mycelium, non-septate sexual spores, oospores, asexual spores, order is Paranosporales, three families as outlined below. Phylum is Umycota, zoospores flagellated, class Umycetes, mycelium, class Umycetes, mycelium, non-septate, mycelium, non-septate, sexual spores, oospores, asexual spores, and zoospores. The order is Paranosporales, three families as outlined below. But family 1, that is Paranosporiaceae, the downy mildew, sporangia borne on sporangiophores of determinate growth, obligate parasites. The genera is Plasmospora, that is Victicola causing downy mildew of grapes, Paranospora tabacina causing downy mildew, blue mold of tobacco, Premo, that is Lutetiaceae causing downy mildew of lettuce, then Bremia, that is luteus causing downy mildew of lettuce, Bremia, that is luteus causing downy mildew, Pseudoparanospora, that is cubensis causing downy mildew of cucurbits, Sclerospora graminicola causing downy mildew, green ear disease of plant of pearl millet. Here, Plasmospora viticola, downy mildew of grapes, sporulating. Here, powdery mildew and downy mildew, blue mold, Paranospora tabacina, that is dichotomous branched conidiophores of Paranospora. Then the concentration which dependent inhibition of spore germination in Paranospora tabacina with the help of nanotechnology. Here, the brown patches on lettuce caused by downy mildew, Bremia lettuce. Here, sporangiophores and sporangia of Bremia, Pseudoparanospora cubensis, branched sporangiophores, and dark brown sporangia. Pseudoparanospora cubensis, symptoms on leaves of melon. Here, the downy mildew, Sclerospora graminicola of pearl millet, chlorosis on leaves in second diagram, that is sporangial growth on lower surface of leaf and oospores like second family is Phythiaceae. Sporangia usually zoosporangia are produced along somatic hyphae or tips of the hyphae of indeterminate growth and set free Oogonia, thin-walled or facultative parasites. The genera is Phythium, that is Diberanium, causing dumping off of seedling, Phytophthora, Phytophthora infestans, causing late blight of potato. So there is the disease damping of seedling. No septate hyphae, Oogonia and Anthridia of the pathogen, that is Phythium deberianum, Phytophthora infestans, a zoospore which produce within the lemon-shaped sporangia. That is the structure of Phytophthora infestan. Family Albuginaceae, the white rust, sporangia borne in chains. Genus Albugo, a candida causing white rust of crucifers. Albugo candida, which causes the white rust of brassicas. Globular white spores, sporangia, are produced by the fungus under the leaf's lower surface in a blister and spread after the blister breaks. Then the next is the kingdom 3 fungi, in which Chytridiomycota, Zygomycota, Ascomycota or Basidiomycota. Phylum, that is Chytridiomycota, produce zoospores with single posterior flagellum. The class is Chytridiomycetes. Order is Chytridiales. Family Olpidiaceae and the genera Olpidium. Brassicae being parasitic on roots of cabbage and other plants and can transmit plant viruses. Physoderma, that is Mydes causing brown spot of corn, then Synchytridium endobioticum causing potato wart. These are the star spores of Olpidium brassicaceae developed in several cells of the cortex. The zoospores have been released. There are many discharge tubes, that is Olpidium brassicaceae, brown spot of corn, that is Phycoderma mydes, and stalk rot associated with infection by Physodermis mydes. That is the microscopic view of sporangia of Physodermis mydes. This one. Then the phylum second is the Zygomycota, produce non-motile spores. In sporangia, sexual spores are zygospores. The class is Zygomycetes, bread mold. Order is Mucorales, and the family is Mucораceae. The genera is Rhizopus, Rhizopus stolonifer, causing soft rot of fruits and vegetables. Conifera, Cucurbitarum, causing soft rot of squash. Mucor causing bread mold and storage rots of fruits and vegetables. That is the Rhizopus stolonifer black bread mold. That is Conifera fruit rot on squash. That is Conifera cucurbitarum sporangiophores and sporangia. Here, mycological characteristics of Conifera cucurbitarum, the causal organism of fruit, soft raft of eggplant, cultural pattern on PDA, monosporous sporangium, that is cracked monosporous sporangiole, monosporous sporangiospores, and sporangium and sporangiophores, sporangiospores with appendix. These are the Sporangia columella and sporangiospores of Mucor species. That is Glomerulomycetes image, Aculospora reducta, uncrushed spores with innumerous large pits on the spore surface and multiple small depressions and projection on the pit surfaces. 11 spore segment showing detailed view of the multiple small depression and projection within the large pits. That is Gigaspora gigantea, population of healthy spores. Here, spores of Rosia have a pink blush, examples designated by a red asterisk. Spores of Giga margitea are bright white, example designated by a cyan asterisk. Then the third phylum is Ascomycota, the sac fungi which produce the ascospores. So class 1 is Archaea Scomycetes, second is Saccharomycetes, third one is Plactomycetes, and fourth is the Pyrenomycetes, and fifth one is Leucoascomycetes. Class 1, that is Archaea Ascomycetes. The order is Taperinales, esky-necked, arising from binucleate ascogenous cells. Family, that is Taphriniaceae. The genus is Taprina. Taprina deformans, causing peach leaf curl. Here, Taphrina deformans gall on peach leaves. That is the stem gall of coriander pathogen. Then the second class is the Saccharomycetes, the yeast mostly unicellular fungi that reproduce by budding, esky-necked, no ascocarp produced. Order is Saccharomycetes, family is Saccharomycetaceae, the genera is Galactomycetes, causing citrus, shorewort, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the bread yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Then the class third is Plectomycetes, Ascomycetes with Clistotheca. The order is Eurotiales, family is Eurotiaceae, and the genera is Eurotium, telomorph of Aspergillus, causing bread mold and seed decay. Then Talaromyces, teleomorphic of Penicillium, expansum, causing blue mold rot of fruit. That is Eurotium. Here, the strains of Talaromyces alboverticillium on MEA, CYA, DG18, OA, and CREA. Then the order is Erisiphes, the powdery mildew of fungi, asci formed in Clastisthecia, Mycelium, Conidia, and Clastotheca, produced on the host surface, obligate parasites. The family is Erisiphaceae. The genera is Blumeria graminis, causing powdery mildew of cereals and grasses. Erisiphae Chichorancerium, causing powdery mildew of cucurbits. Levelula turica, causing powdery mildew of tomato and capsicum. Then the Podospora lutetrica, causing powdery mildew of apple. Then Saprophyta panosa, causing powdery mildew of rose and peach. And then Uncinula nectar, causing powdery mildew of grapes. Then Blumeria graminis on the surface of a blade of grass. So as the fungus becomes established, it begins to produce chains of white conidia, asexual spores on the surface of the leaves. Here, Blumeria graminis conidia on the grass leaves. That is the Levelula turica, Podosphaera leucotricha. Then nectar, causing powdery mildew of grapes. Uncinula nectar, Clastothecium with unsignate hooked appendix. Then the class fourth is Pyrenomycetes, Ascomycetes with Parathecia. The order is Hypocerales. The genera is Gibrella, Cusicorei. Order is Mycoacerales. Genera is Ceratocytes. The order is Phylocorales. The genera is Glomorella, Cinibulata, telomorph of Coletotrichum species that is causing anthracnose. Here the diagram A and B are the Aprosia. The C is the conidiogenous cells. D and E are the conidia, and the scale bar A is 20 micrometer. Scale bar of A applies to A to E. Then the order is Ophiostomatalis. The genera is Ophiostoma, Ophionovo, Ulmi causing Dutch elm disease. Order is Diphorales. Genera is Diphorthe. Order is Gilerials and the genera is Hypoxylon. Class 4th, Pyrenomycetes, Ascomycetes with Parathecia. Then the fifth class is the Leucolo-Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes with Ascostroma or Pseudothecium. Order is Dotithidales. The genera Mycosporella, Mycomucicola, causing Cicatoca of banana, Mycosphaerella pregnancies, causing leaf spot of strawberry, then Alcinoe favicity, causing citrus, scab. Order is Capnodiales. The genera is Capnodium, being one of the many fungi causing sooty molds on the plants. The order is Pleiosporales and the genera is Cochiliobolus. Then the phylum fourth is the Basidiomycota, Basidiomycetes, the club and mushroom fungi. So class 1 is the Uridinomycetes, class 2 is Astilegomycetes, and class 3rd is the Basidiomycetes. Class 1 Uridinomycetes, that is the rust fungi. Order is Uridinales, family is Pucciniaceae, and the genera is Puccinia. So Puccinia gramineae straticae, causing black rust of wheat. Puccinia recongita, causing brown rust of wheat. Puccinia steriliformis, causing yellow rust of wheat, and Puccinia dianthici, causing rust of carnation. The Gymnosporangium juniperiviginini, causing cadder apple rust. Carenotrium carenorubicola, causing rust of pine. Himalaya vastatrax, causing coffee rust. Malampora linii, causing flax rust. Then Phragmidium muceratum, causing rose rust, and Euromyces, that is causing rust of bean. That is Puccinia arenea, Puccinia asperagi, Puccinia gramineae. Yellow rust postulates stem rust of wheat by Puccinia gramineae straticae, that is Hamilia. Vastotrek, Euromycetes appendiculitis. Then class 2 is the Astileginomycetes, Ismut and Bonds. Order is Astileginales. Family is the Astileginaceae. The genera is Astilago, Mydes causing corn ismut, Astilago triticale causing loose ismut of wheat, then Astilago nuda that is causing ismut of barley, Eurocytes sapuli causing ismut of onion, and the family is the Tillitaceae. The genera is Tillataceae caris, and Tillataceae foetida, which causing hill bunt of wheat, and the Titania indica causing kernel bunt of wheat. So up to here, the class third is completed. Thank you.